See, if you're in ISC, you're already starting off at a disadvantage. You cannot pretend like you have all the time in the world. The truth is you don't. और अगर आप चाहते हो एक अच्छा कॉलेज जाना, I'm just going to tell you the blatant truth. It's going to be more difficult for you than CBSE kids. What's up, champions? Welcome back to Grand Acad, and this video is specially for all our dear ISC students because I got so many emails and so many messages. हमारे previous batches के बच्चों के juniors ने भी हमें मैसेज किया क्योंकि काफ़ी ISC किड्स हमारे बैचेस में थे. उन्होंने कहा सर ISC CUET गाइडेंस इज नॉट देयर एट ऑल एंड वी वांट स्ट्रैटेजीज, वी वांट गाइडेंस, प्लीज हेल्प अस. आई सेड यू नो व्हाट, ये मेरी ड्यूटी है कि मैं आपको जितनी हेल्प कर सकता हूँ उतनी करूँ. दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाई आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो, अ डिटेल्ड वीडियो ऑन हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर CUET एज एन ISC स्टूडेंट. बट फॉर यू गाइज इट्स गोना बी एन अपहिल टास्क बिकॉज आप पूरे दिन लगे हुए हो अपने स्कूल में ट्राइंग टू स्कोर वेल इन यूनिट टेस्ट और हाफ ईयरलीज और प्री बोर्ड्स, एंड हेयर इज दिस बिग एग्जाम दैट यू हैव टू फेस जिसकी बुक्स आपने कभी पढ़ी नहीं है. सो आई टोटली अंडरस्टैंड हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज फॉर यू, बट जस्ट बिकॉज थिंग्स आर डिफिकल्ट डज नॉट मीन दैट दे आर नॉट वर्थ डूइंग. इन फैक्ट CUET is extremely worth doing if you want to go to coveted colleges such as LSR, Stephens, Hindu, Hansraj, Ramjas, Kirodimal. अगर आप एक ISC स्टूडेंट हो जो CUET दे रहा है, I assume you know these colleges anyway. So in this video, you're going to learn a few actionable mindset shifts and tips that will help you prepare for CUET as an ISC student. I would like to start off this video with the number one thing I have to say. If you're an ISC student taking CUET, you have to decide what is more important to you. You see, there is a phrase in English, you can't have your cake and eat it too. And what I mean to say by that here is, you cannot expect 99.99% people to be scoring ISC 99% as well as topping CUET, scoring 780, 790 and getting into a tier 1 college. The people who are able to do both, इतने से लोग होंगे वो, and it is going to be very arrogant of us to assume that we are one of those people. What we should assume is that we need to prioritize. So I really want you to sit down with yourself and understand this deeply. What do you really value? क्योंकि I'll tell you something, right? जब हमने क्रैश कोर्सेज चलाए थे लास्ट ईयर इन द मंथ ऑफ January and February, a lot of ISC kids joined. And I could see some tones of regret, that they didn't start CUET preparation earlier, or that they didn't prioritize CUET preparation, or that they gave too much time to ISC. So I just really want you to understand this, कि आपके जो बोर्ड रिजल्ट आएंगे जब आपको लगेगा कि oh my god मैंने 95-96% अचीव कर लिए हैं, I won't tell you that that's a rubbish achievement or that it doesn't matter, but I will tell you that it doesn't really matter as much as CUET does. Because back when I took admission in college, कट ऑफ्स होती थी, सो हमारे लिए 12th वॉज लाइक द होली ग्रेल, वेदर यू वर फ्रॉम ISC, CBSE और स्टेट बोर्ड. बट नाउ इट्स ऑल CUET. So you really have to understand what is it that you value. क्या आप वो social validation chase कर रहे हो? You want to make your parents proud, or you have some emotional attachment due to some past experiences to your 12 scores, or you've been dreaming about that XYZ percentage for some reason. You just want to feel validated, or maybe you're going abroad, or you want to go to a place like Mumbai University, in which case 12th marks ko prioritize karna is the wiser option. But for most people it's not. So I really want you to sit down and introspect. Do you really want to prioritize ISC board exams or ISC school exams over CUET? If you're watching this video, I don't think you would want to do that. And I don't think you should do that. In my humble opinion, it's way better to prioritize the entrance exam, because that is going to dictate the next 4 years of your life. And with that comes the second point of this video. The second point is that I've already touched upon this in the introduction, but the material is entirely different, right? What you're studying in school barely matches with CUET का syllabus. For those who are not acquainted with the syllabus, आपको NCERT पढ़नी है and you have to start preparing, because NCERT आपको लगती होगी कम है, and ISC के सामने it is कम. You guys are used to studying way more complex things and way more detailed things than most other boards in India. So I would say you have an advantage there. Don't underestimate yourself, because having studied ISC means you're probably going to do well in CUET if you just decide to prioritize CUET. So the material is already different. So the first thing I really want you to do actionably is to go ahead and buy the NCERT books of whatever it is that you want to take the CUET exam in. Commerce में ले आओ NCERTs of accountancy, ले आओ NCERT of business studies, economics. Humanities वाले हो, get political science, get psychology, sociology, history, economics, whatever it is that you have in 12th. For Delhi University, they only accept you taking CUET exam in the domains that you had in 12th. So whatever subjects you have in 12th, just buy the NCERT of that. And yeah, that is going to be your first step. And I want you to start reading some NCERT ka some chapter for at least 30 minutes a day. Just read. Don't try to study it. Don't try to memorize it. Just read it every day for 30 minutes. You can do this while you're taking the commute to school. आप school जा रहे हो, van में हो, bus में हो, car में हो. You can, read during that. Before you sleep, you can try, picking a book up. If you have some spare time, you're कुकिंग समथिंग एंड आपने वो ओवन में डाला हुआ है, माइक्रोवेव कर रहे हो, जो बीच में आपका इंटरस्टाइस है उसमें आप पढ़ सकते हो. डू दैट फॉर 2 to 3 weeks. उससे आपको NCERT की भाषा, लैंग्वेज, टर्मिनोलॉजी से थोड़ी ज़्यादा फेमिलियरिटी हो जाएगी. एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स मी टू माई नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. यू हैव टू नाउ स्टार्ट स्टडीइंग द NCERT. वंस यू आर acquainted with it, guys, I want you to start studying and integrating the NCERT into your study schedule. I know a lot of people will probably come at us for saying कि आपको board exams को इतना नहीं भाव देना चाहिए. And I know a lot of people probably won't feel comfortable doing that. You see, as a mentor, I can just suggest things. I don't think board exams are that important anymore. The point is, I know you won't take it that easily. I suggest करूँगा कि आप start करो giving NCERT 1.5 hours a day. You can study ISC for 3-4 hours. I don't have a problem with that. Just start studying the NCERT for 1.5 hours a day at the minimum. Because see, NCERT आपके लिए relatively easy होगी and I've explained the reasons why. That is why I suggest 1.5 hours to start with. Start doing that. आप धीरे धीरे देखोगे कि आपके महीनों में ही पूरे सिलेबस खत्म होते रहेंगे and you will be shocked at how little time it actually takes. But well, if you want to take your preparation to the next level while that is happening, we have the Grand Humanities course for CUET. You see, अगर आप एक ISC student हो, because we've dealt with ISC students and we've helped them score good marks in CUET, we have the Grand Humanities course for all of you and let me present it to you. इसमें आपको मिलेंगे सारे बढ़िया से, सबसे efficient, सबसे quick, सबसे मजेदार humanities के सारे subjects के lectures. You can purchase them individually as well. We have sociology, we have history, we have economics, we have political science. आपको सारे subjects यहाँ पे दिख जाएंगे, links description में मिल जाएंगे. यहाँ पे आप QR code भी scan कर सकते हो for the Grand Humanities course. ISC students के लिए बहुत बढ़िया है क्योंकि हमने सारी NCERT को बहुत ही ज़्यादा digestible बना दिया है. बढ़िया से बढ़िया CUET mocks बनाए हैं, बढ़िया सी beautiful PowerPoint presentations हैं जिससे पढ़ाई ऐसे निकलेगी आपकी instead of those long hours of studying the NCERT. You have great, crisp, zingery notes that everybody enjoys. It's just a brilliant investment if you want to score good marks in CUET. I'll link everything in the description. आप एक पूरा पैकेज ले सकते हो for all humanities subjects or you can just buy them individually. It will really, really help you. Honestly बताऊँ, ये channel सबसे बढ़िया है. I'm not saying this because this is our channel, but this is the best channel for CUET and boards. CUET for you guys. Just press subscribe. It barely takes a second, but ये आपको बहुत सारे rewards देगा in the future. आपको इतने बढ़िया material मिलने वाला है. Stay tuned. Subscribe. The next thing I want to tell you is on the weekends when you have more time, instead of doing those 1.5 hours of dedicated study, I want you to expand that to 3 hours. You see, weekend pay, stop going out. It's not the year to spend like anything. This is the year to preserve your time, to invest your time in the things that actually matter. Because see, CUET आपके next 4 years decide करेगा. और अच्छा कॉलेज में चले जाओ तो उसके social benefits भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, employment benefits भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. 3 से 4 घंटे आप weekends पे लगाइए. ऐसे ऐसे कर करके आपको पता चलेगा कि ना आप अपने board exams, ISC studies को sacrifice कर रहे हो, ना आप अपने CUET को sacrifice कर रहे हो. Usually लोग extremes में चले जाते हैं. Even though I know अगर extreme में जाना तो CUET वाले एक्सट्रीम में जाओ, इट्स मच बेटर. बट अगर आपको चीजें बैलेंस रखनी है, विच आई टोटली अंडरस्टैंड, दिस इज द वे टू गो. माई फाइनल पॉइंट is that you should start buying CUET books as well. I'll link an affiliate link in the description. We suggest those books. So just search your subject on that link and buy CUET books. आपको sample questions मिलेंगे, आप थोड़े questions हर chapter के बाद कर सकते हो. That's going to speed up your preparation. As the time passes, हम और detailed चीजें लाने वाले हैं for ISC students, so make sure you're subscribed. That'll be the video, guys. If you really want to speed up your preparation, you have the Grand Humanities course, and we're going to launch for more subjects very soon. So please stay subscribed for brilliant ISC-friendly CUET content coming on Grand Acad soon, and share this video with your friends if you want them to get into good universities. Why wouldn't you want them to, though? All right. Till next time, keep winning, you champions!